देन ए भाई जरा देख के चलो, ऊपर भी नहीं नीचे भी नहीं, दाएं भी नहीं बाएं भी. So now you're also, what I notice is that you have certain faith and religious sentiments and stuff towards certain gods and goddesses in our country, and school of thoughts and stuff. What do people do? They are disposing of their statues, and they're leaving coconuts, and they're leaving bananas, and they're leaving plastic bags and idols and stuff on banyan trees and other trees around your neighborhood and stuff. And if you were to extend it, take a look at the rivers and stuff. I don't want to go there because I'm restricting it to my own neighborhood. You take a walk in the sector around or in the city, and you notice these little things and stuff. So on one side, we are talking about, removing dogs and strays from the street, specifically the bus shelters and other areas and stuff. Why are we not doing anything about human beings who are spreading around waste and garbage and stuff? It's time we take a look at people who are to be controlled and voiceless animals and stuff. So if this rings a bell with you, do share it. And do raise a question and a concern that when there is a budget or there are buses being allocated for environment and climate concerns and stuff, why isn't there a roadmap for animals, strays, cats, dogs? Why isn't wildlife taken up so very seriously? Why are cows not taken so seriously? And it's really, it's shocking and surprising that 3-4 days back, after I've taken my medication and stuff, I'm lying in my bed, and can you believe it? At 2 o'clock in the night, I'm hearing a cow crying in the night on the street. So if cows are a concern, and if empathy is a concern, compassion is a concern, and big regards for Mr. Modi, who's been also voicing it out at various places and stuff, and he talks about it in a big way. Are we really implementing it at the ground level? If we were, then what the hell are all these cattle doing on the street and stuff? So come with a solution. You're talking about lack of animal shelters. You're talking about lack of spaces for them and stuff. So where is the solution? This is not a solution that you pick them up and put them away and stuff. Upgrade your infrastructure. Make the budget available. Make the monies available and stuff. No talk promising stuff. And you're talking about flying cars. You're talking about next level AI and stuff. Why are these micro issues not being addressed? Which year are we in and stuff? And if you were to go abroad and stuff, there's so much happening and stuff. Take a look at the environmentalists and everything. We really have to face it. Where there's still a lot more to be done, and this waste management thing. कोई भी आता है बाहर लिफाफा फेंक के चले आएगा, कोई भी आएगा कुछ भी डंप करके चले आएगा, क्विल्ट फेंक के चले आएगा, फर्नीचर फेंक के चले आएगा. यार, stronger controls, cameras, or security, or people click pictures, share it, but this is not done. The shameless stuff can't continue. And I'd shared this a few years back. I went for shopping to a certain place. I was carrying a Coke tin with me for 2 hours because I couldn't find a dustbin. And even on the metro station, I understand security reasons. There's no dustbin on the metro station where you board the train. So you go all the way back to dump it at the place where the shopping happens and stuff. But there's no check within the train as well. So these little things add to the larger picture. So if you're talking reality, talk real and make it happen. So on the micro level also, because we talk about climate and pollution and stuff at the strategy level and the RWA level on, not just planting trees and stuff and all that, but awareness on the micro level with laborers or with the servants and stuff like that. But here civilized people are also doing this. कोई अपने घर के बाहर फर्नीचर छोड़ के चले आता है यार नेबरहुड में, तो दिस इज नॉट द सर्वेंट्स हु आर डूइंग इट. And if you really want to educate children and the next generation, parents have to stop doing it. Grandparents have to stop doing it and stuff. So my request is that please impose stricter fines for anybody dumping anything and everything, even spitting, even urinating and stuff, because the country which functions on strict rules definitely will function better. Because if you think that there is awareness required, air conditioning required, you can't educate everybody and anybody, you know. If there's a scare factor or a fear factor, you want to call it, people will definitely function better. जब पता चलेगा ना 2,000 रुपए का फाइन ठोकेगा या कुछ होगा, people will actually automatically start behaving better in the country. Try do it for a bit and see how it changes, you know, because traffic situation has changed big time in our city for sure. I'm sure even imposing a fine and stricter action will help. ए भाई जरा देख के चलो, आगे भी नहीं पीछे भी, पीछे भी नहीं नीचे भी, नीचे नहीं ऊपर भी. So it starts with all of us, you know, take a look around and do your bit. And if somebody does this, rather than getting into an alteration or whatever, always a good idea to bring it to the notice of setups and organizations working on it. If they also have challenges and stuff, you could always step in and you can always offer your own support and stuff. If you think it's not happening and people are only talking negative about the community or the system and the management, always a good idea to take it to a higher level, escalate it, and involve probably the media or involve the senior most political party of that area and stuff, and I'm sure the change will happen, right? So jkapani@gmail.com, jashinkapani.im@gmail.com, and jashinkapanioffice@gmail.com. I'm definitely feeling better and good. I'm soaked up to sun. I've walked for at least half an hour, and my voice seems to be opening up and all that. But with the pollution and stuff, nobody can say how it is on the rest of the day. So keep in touch and thank you for your messages and love and luck and love and light. jkapani@gmail.com, justinkapani.im@gmail.com, and justinkapanioffice@gmail.com. Thank you for your messages. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for writing in and stuff. And we can always be in touch. And feel free to call me between 4 and 6. That's when I'm mostly at my best and available and stuff, you know. So love and luck and take care. Have fun. Bye bye.